Well, hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nicole Mays with LeveragingElearning.com. I'm a community college instructor and an instructional designer, which just means I love helping faculty leverage technology so they can teach online with confidence and ease. In today's video, I'm going to show you my 3 favorite strategies for getting my students to read my announcements in my Canvas course. Number 1 is to actually put an announcement bar on your homepage of your course. When students log into Canvas, they automatically go to their dashboard. And on the dashboard, they may see a notification on this icon with the megaphone here with a little number 1 showing them they have a new announcement to read. However, when they click into the course, they no longer see that announcement notification. So it's really nice to be able to put an announcement bar on your homepage. Let me show you how to do that now. Your first step is to go into your course settings. Next, make sure the Course Details tab is selected and scroll to the bottom. Select the More Options link at the very bottom. Then you can select this checkbox here that says Show Recent Announcements on your course homepage. You even get to select how many numbers of announcements you want to show. So select 1 if you just want your most recent announcement to show on the homepage. I like to select the last 2 announcements to show on the homepage. So once we have this set, checkbox and the number selected, scroll down to the bottom and select Update Course Details. Now let's go back to the homepage and see what we have. So now you can see I have my latest announcement at the top of my homepage for students to see and click. So strategy number 2 is to make your announcements more interactive, meaning it's a two-way street. When you announce something, make sure to ask a question at the bottom of the announcement for your students to reply to. There's one setting that we have to checkbox before we can allow students to reply to an announcement. So let's do that first. You're going to go back into your course settings. Make sure the Course Details tab is selected at the top. Scroll down to the bottom and select the More Options link again. Automatically, Canvas has the Disable Comments on Announcements checkboxed. You want to uncheck this to make sure that students are able to comment on announcements. Then you can select Update Course Details. So a quick tip about the announcement questions is to make sure that it's something that students can reply to quickly. For example, maybe lists of 3 words that comes to mind when they hear a certain term. Or it can be lighthearted, such as, what did you do over the weekend? Or what's your favorite hobby? It can be low risk because really this is about engagement. So have fun with it and your students will too. So my last strategy is to make sure you state this expectation that students should reply to your announcements so they know that they need to read that announcement in order to give you that reply. This needs to be really clear during the first week. So I like to add it to my own welcome video and to my syllabus under the participation section. I hope that really helps you with more engagement in your class and getting your students to read those super important class announcements. For more tips like this, go to LeveragingElearning.com, where I get to support faculty move their teacher magic from the classroom to online.